my channel. Today I am class with you to talk about relative pronoun. In my one video, I have told you about pronouns and the types, and I have told you about all the types, but today I am going to tell you about relative pronoun. Please see my that videos also, and please see this video also till end, because today I am going to tell you that thing which nobody is going to tell you. So let's begin. When we are talking about relative pronoun, we should know the definition of relative pronoun. Pronouns that are used to join two sentences and tell us the relation with the noun that comes before it are called relative pronoun. This definition you have to learn, because this definition indicate very important thing, so you have to learn this definition. Let's revise this definition again. Pronouns that are used to join two sentences and tell us the relation with the noun that comes before it are called relative pronoun. In simple words, we can say that, just take an example. I know the boy who lives there. I looked at the books which has pictures. Now here we have learned that pronouns that are used to join two sentences are called two sentences, but also telling us the relation with the noun that comes before it are called relative pronoun. So in these examples also, you can see I know the boy is one sentence and lives there is a different sentence, and to join this sentence to make a relative pronoun sentence, we are using who word. So this is the work of the relative pronoun, that when we are going to join two sentences, one topic is there that conjunctions join, but the another topic of joining the two sentences is the relative pronoun. Means we have to just learn that pronouns that are used to join two sentences. Two sentences here you can see I look the books is the one sentence, and has pictures is the another sentence. Which has pictures is the another substance. I know the book is the another sentence, but who lives there is the another sentence, right? So these who, which, were, where, that, these words make two sentences to make the whole one sentence. Now we will take more example, but the main thing come to know that the uses of some relative pronoun. See, we know that we use who, which, what, they, but have you understand? You have taken this new subject, new topic, but have you know that in which situation we use the uses of these relative pronoun words? No, because we have taken the new topic, relative pronoun. So let's learn this also. You can take a screenshot or you can write also, because I think you should write or take screenshot, because this is the main important thing in the relative pronoun to understand it. That is, first, in which situation we use who? For persons, not none. Not for things, not for animals, only for persons. But in persons also, that persons which we don't know, when that time we will use whom. Now whom. In which situation we use whom? For persons, none. In topic who, we have learned that it is used only for persons, but that persons which don't know. But when we are talking about whom, so in the whom we are talking about persons only. But persons, for what person? Persons which are known to us, which we know that is Shaja, that is Sinu, that is Meenu. We know that they are the persons. But that person which we don't know are in that situation we will use who, and in that situation that we know the persons, in that time we will use whom. Now come to whose. What is whose? In which situation we will use? For persons, things, not none. It is come for persons also and things also. But likewise we have used person in both who and whom. But in one topic who, we are persons which are not none, and in one topic for persons which are none, right? But in the whose topic, that persons and things which are not none. So now we will talk about the in which situation we will going to use about which. Now see, here we have just learned about whose, who, whom. Now here it comes which. For things not none. In who topic we have learned that person which we don't know, and in whom we have learned that person which we know, right? And in whose we have learned that person, not animal, only that person and things which are not none. Now we have talked about that in which situation we are in that person know and all. But now it comes that in the which. For things not none, we in whom we have learned that in who topic we have learned that person which we don't know, and in which we have learned that things which we don't know. These are the same, but what is the difference between them? The difference between them, that is in the who topic we have to just remember in the who which we don't know are only about persons. But when we are talking about things not none, we have to write, it will come which. Okay, and now that. In this situation we are going to use that for persons and things. Now which and who are common, same. But when we are talking about whose, what I have told you, that in whose the situation is that persons and things which we don't know. In who we have learned that person which we don't know, but in whose it comes persons with things. Okay, we will also add things to them, and it will just make that persons and things which are not none are whose. But that word is similar to whose. Now which word is similar to who? Similarly, that word is similar to whose. Why? Because in whose we have learned that persons and things which we don't know, and in that we are going to learn that persons and things which we know. Means in just a simple language we have to learn that we are in that for persons and things we are only use for persons and things. Now I told you that I have explain you 2 examples. Now we will explain 4 examples. Let's begin. Sujit, who comes first in the class, is loved by all. Now in this you can do, just suppose that Sujit is your neighborhood. Suppose he is the student of class 5th and he is your neighborhood. And if you know him, then you are going to use who. But if you don't know who is Sujit, if he my neighborhood, there is one child of class 5th, that is Sujit, and I know who is Sujit. So I know, so I'm going to use who. But if you don't know, please don't write who, because in that situation, the persons which we don't know, that comes in whose. So, sorry, not whose, that is whom. Now, do you know whose book is this? Do you know whose book is this? Now here you can just see that, just understand that you don't know about who's, which, that, who. Okay, but you one thing can just notice that, do you know is another sentence, and whose book is this is another sentence. These common things, small things, you have to learn, because if you are not following these small functions and all, you are not able to learn relative pronouns. And see the third example. I want to know which is your cycle. In this also, you can just see why we have used which. In here, we have learned that which comes for things which we don't know. And I have written, I want to know which is your cycle. Now, just take an example of Sujit. Sujit's cycles. Sujit, cycle. You know Sujit and you have written who. But if you don't know him, think. That is cycle. If you don't know him, think. Cycle. Okay, when you don't know the cycle is a thing you don't know. When the thing which you don't know, we use which. We have learned this. So, you know the Sujit, you have written who. But if you not know the Sujit cycle, so and here the cycle is a thing, and that things which we don't know, we are going to use which. Now, we have just learned about which, whose, who, whom, whose. But now, what is the meaning of that? Why we have written that in this sentence? This is the cycle that I was talking about here. What we have learned, that word comes for persons and things. Now here you can notice that here is thing also and person also. Now thing is cycle. Okay, and I, you, they, anybody, but I word I'm a person now. I'm using I, but I am a person. Now here that is person, and this is thing. Now here you can see we have used that because in this sentence the thing is also coming and the person is also coming. So we have used that, and when we are discussing about that, you can also notice that word is joining two sentences. That is, this is the cycle and I was talking about. Okay, so I hope guys you would be satisfied from this part. So please like my video, and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my video. Thank you. Bye bye.